Hey guys, we're here at dinner, and Hannah has been talking about my vlogs.
Your what?
My vlogs.
Vlogs?
Vlogs. VLOGS.
Vlogs?
What do you have to say, Hannah?
Caitlin got mad.
We went to not a dog park. We just walked around, kind of
Oh,
And Isaac sent the dogs down into this
steep
hill
hill.
Oh.
with water, and then the dogs couldn't get out, and she was angry.
thank you for the summary, everybody. Hey guys, so I know I haven't updated you in a little bit, and I just kind of want to talk about what I've been doing today. So, woke up this morning, went to work. It was a pretty long day of work. Dug some 4-foot deep post holes, filled them with concrete so they could set overnight, and we'll put posts in there tomorrow. I mean, the rest of the day was just hot. It was like 92, humid, and just really not fun. And then, let's see, I got home, took a shower. I've been kind of tinkering around with some iPhone stuff lately. I'll show you that in a second. Or I'll show you that actually right now. Okay, so here's what I'm currently working on. I purchased a replacement iPhone screen that I'm going to clean up and attach to this iPhone 6. I bought it with this, let's see if you can see it, completely shattered and just trashed screen. Good night, Dad! Always gotta say goodnight to the father. And if you're at all curious what the internals of an iPhone looks like, there you go. A little out of focus there. I'm using these tools. This is a little Phillips magnetized, a little plastic pry bar, and this is a special, I believe it's called a pentalope magnetized screwdriver. It's kind of a little flower shape. And then here's how I keep track of all my screws, my plates, and connectors, stuff like that. I just got done putting the home button in here. I had to take it out of the old phone and put it in this one. I've had the camera and stuff transferred over for a while now, but yeah, let's get this all together. So there you can see I just connected up the ribbon cables here. I put them in their connectors, and now the screen is attached. Can't pull it away, and hopefully I don't break anything. So now let's put on these covers, reattach the let's see where they are, the battery cables right here. If we can focus, there we go. Those battery cables, gonna reattach those, and we should see power. Okay, so as you guys will see here in just a second, right there, I actually get the phone back up and running, and I'm going to hopefully flip it for a profit on eBay. So just checking out what it looks like here, showing that the new screen works. It's not pixelated, not broken, and I eventually swipe through and just start going through and making sure everything still works. So thanks for watching, guys.